Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial for you guys instead of my vlogs. I really wanted to get into this palette. I have been holding on to it for a while. I picked this up probably like almost 2 months ago, or maybe a month and a half. I just haven't got into it. And I wanted to go ahead and try a look, and it comes with this little booklet and it has like a few different looks in here. So I wanted to try one of these because I never use these. I always like just put it to the side, but I figured why not try it out if they have looks already. I do really like this one. No, I like both of them, but I really like this one, so I think I might try that out next. But today, and I like this gold one, but today I'm gonna do this one for us. I think it came up pretty well. I think in the photo, of course, the colors are a bit enhanced, so you can see more of the teal color, which is the peacock color, whereas on me it seems a little bit darker, which it is. But again, this is camera, lights, everything. So I think it turned out pretty well. People are staring at me as they walk by. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm actually gonna insert some footage here, a little bit close up of the palette, and me sharing all the color names here because I did try to film this before and my camera did something funny, lost some footage. So I am redoing this video again. So I'm gonna include that footage to share the names of this palette with you guys because it does have some crazy names. I mean, it is called a Lust palette, so the names are pretty crazy. Buff It Out, Take the Cake, Sex Drive, Come and Get It, On Fire, Pin Down, Love Spark, Afternoon Delight, Embrace Me, Oopsie Daisy, Temptation, Sassy Brassy, Silk Robe, Flirty Pop, Call Me Back, Just Like That, Set in Stone, Hard to Get, Love Language, Too Good, Fall Hard, Such Tease, Hot to Trot, Spank Me, All Tied Up, Balls and Jane, DM Me, Peep Show, Peacocking, and Blindfolded. Yeah, those are a little crazy. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So I want to try out this one here. It's called Lust for Color. And it's like a beautiful, like, it reminds me of like carnival or like a Brazilian flag. Like, that's what this reminds me of. So I don't know, it just seems really fun. So I'm gonna try this look out today. Now, this is my second time trying to do this look because the first time I did it, it just didn't work out. My camera died. It, like, deleted my files and changed everything, so that was crazy. It does have a really big mirror right there, so I'm gonna be using that for my mirror today because I don't have one in front of me. I have like a bunch of makeup with me. This is our, what do you want to call this? Our Get Ready With Me Stay at Home Too Faced Natural Lust palette look. So I'm gonna apply my primer. This is from Lancome. I think I've had this for a little too long because it's starting to smell like paint. I have this eyeshadow that's just like a skin tone that I like to use. Oh no, it's breaking. I like to set my primer, my eye primer with it. Okay, so step 1 says to sweep Fall Hard from crease to the brow bone. And this one right here is Fall Hard. It's kind of like a taupey, mauve-y crease shadow. So we're gonna take that, and it says from your crease to your brow bone. So it's literally up here. Okay, next we're going to blend the color Peacocking into our outer and our lower lash line. And it's that really pretty teal color right here. So I'm going to use the same brush. It's just a blending brush to pick that up. It says from our outer and lower lash line. So like here. I'm going to take this flat shader brush And I'm going to put that right under for the lower lash line. I'm gonna try a pencil brush instead because that was just looking a little too thick. So you want to take it halfway in, not all the way. This is a really messy look, so don't do your foundation first. Otherwise, you're gonna have to take it off and do it again. So I think that is good enough for this second step. So next we're going to press the color Temptation onto our lid, inner corner and the inner lower lash line. It doesn't really look like it's in the inner corner, so I'm going to skip that step. So we're doing this color right here. I've cleaned off my little pencil brush and I'm gonna take the same color Temptation because we now need to apply it to the inner lower lash line. And then the last step, there's only 4 steps in this, is to use the same crease color Peacocking as a liner and blend until it's diffused. So when I originally tried to do this, that didn't really work out for me. So what I did was I used this Urban Decay 24/7 pencil. This is in a flip side, and I used that to create the liner because trying with the shadow was not working. So I'm literally going to just align my lower lash line as in the picture, I mean my upper lash line in the picture as an eyeliner for this part of it. And so now I'm going to use my pencil brush again, and I'm going to pick up the shadow and go over it. I'm actually going to use an angled brush, if you can see that. You see how it kind of diffuses the eyeliner color, because that liner color is like really bright, but when I add the shadow it kind of tones it down and blends it in with the look. Just gonna go in and touch up the crease shadow just a little bit. Alright, I do have a lot of fallout under here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up, do the rest of my face, and then we'll be back to close out this video. So here is our completed look. I hope it looks kind of similar to that. I think maybe if I add lashes, it will look a little bit more like that. And this person has like a hazel or green eye. But I think it came out pretty well. It's better the second time than the first time around. I am going to add some liner just to like give it a different little look, kind of change it up. I did have a gold liner, but I have no idea where it is right now, so we're just gonna stick with black. But I think I really like how it turned out. I was gonna put lashes, but who am I kidding? We're staying at home, we're not going nowhere, so we're not gonna waste a pair of lashes, just saying. But I hope you enjoyed this look. If you like, you can get this palette. This is from Too Faced Natural Lust palette. I did find mine at TJ Maxx for like 30 bucks. Normally it's like 60, so it's half the price. It's a really pretty palette. Palette. I love all the colors in here. I think like if you were traveling, you could just take this one palette and you can do so many looks just with everything. You can do mattes, you can do shimmers, like there's just such a variety. And there's a huge mirror. Hello. So you can have a mirror while you're doing your makeup look, and that's literally what I used today, except for when I need to get really close in. But I really love how it turned out, and I hope you did too. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and to subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.